Question number 3. Okay. So a ball is tossed vertically upwards with a speed of 5 meters per second. So this is the ground. You are tossing a ball, throwing a ball from here, and your initial velocity is 5 meters per second. After how many seconds will the ball return to its initial position? So it goes to a certain height, maximum height, and once again come back like this, right? So therefore, what is the formula here? The formula here is nothing but 2 times u divided by g. Okay, you can just substitute this value 2 into 5 divided by 10, which is equal to 1 second. The answer is 1 second. But if you want to know how do you get this one here, so what do? You can use something like, you can use a is equal to v minus u divided by t. You can use this expression, and thereby I can write t is equal to v minus u divided by a. Okay. Now what we do is, what is a? Acceleration due to gravity, which we already know. This is nothing but minus 10. And what is v? V is nothing but, see, don't take the value of v to be this one. Okay, this is not the final velocity. So v is nothing but, when you are throwing a ball from here, you throw it with a velocity u. What is the velocity of u? The velocity u here is nothing but 5. Okay, I'll write minus 5 here. Okay, u already written. What is v? So it goes all the way along, it comes back to you here, and when it reaches your hand or maybe to the ground, what's the direction of the velocity? It's like this. Though the ground offers an equal and opposite force, and as a result of it, it is unable to go do anything, right? It comes to a rest over there. Okay, but otherwise, when it strikes the ground, what is the velocity? It strikes the velocity with a value equal to minus 5, right? Because the velocity vector is in the downward direction, and whatever velocity you threw, the same velocity it came back to you also, right? So therefore, it's minus 5 divided by minus 10. So this will be minus 10 by minus 10, which is equal to 1 second once again. Okay, either you can use this formula or you can use it like this also. So how did I get this formula? Once again, here itself, the velocity which you throw and the velocity which returns is same. So therefore, I am substituting v equal to minus u. So therefore, I am getting this as minus 2u divided by minus g, which is nothing but 2u by g. Okay, I can get it from here also. Okay, the same formula. Since I knew that we have worked on what you call projectile motion, we had the same formula. In projectile, how do you do? In projectile, you throw a particle here like this, it comes here. Okay, then you find out what is the time of flight. What is the time of flight given by? The time of flight is given by 2u sine theta divided by g, if you remember this. What is theta here? Theta is this angle. This angle is your theta. Now, if I throw upward like this, now what is the value of theta? 90. When you substitute this one here, sine 90 becomes 1. So you once again get 2u by g only, right? So therefore, you always get the same answer. Okay, let us move on to the next one.